Magandang hapon po. Hindi po makukumpleto yung fast food series natin kung wala pong Jollibee, no? I think wala pa po yata akong na-upload na Jollibee. So, ito na po yun. Meron talaga kumain sa fast food, lalo na pagka nag-no rice at saka nag-no bread ka na, no? So, wala ka na talagang choice, eh. So, sa Jollibee, wala silang salad. So, what I did was, kumain lang po ako ng chicken, 2 pieces. Tapos, isang pirasong burger steak na may mushroom. Tapos, uminom ng isang glass or small cup ng Coke Zero. So, yun lang po. Pwede na po siya. Lunch na po siya. So ngayon it's exactly 2 hours, no. So as always, kuha po tayo ng blood sugar. So tingnan po natin kung ano pong itsura ng blood sugar after eating at Jollibee. Ayan. So 136 po siya, no? I would consider it a full meal. As always, no? Ang bilin po sa akin ng endocrinologist ko is not more than 140 2 hours after a full meal. So okay po siya. Of course sa iba hindi, kasi syempre pag when you say fast food, may breading yan, there's a lot of seasoning and kung ano-ano pa pong mga hinalo na pampalasa dyan, no? Pero as far as, you know, the blood sugar spike is concerned, pumasok po siya rin sa threshold na 140. So yun lang po for this food review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.